Yeah? My nothing is personal, तो फिर आपका भी नहीं होना चाहिए आप पे भाई सारी ज़िंदगी गुजारी है, अब पर्सनल नहीं है ना. पहले तो मेरा भी कोड लगा होता था. मेरा एक दोस्त था, उसने एक चाइना का मोबाइल लिया, उसमें कहता है कि ना असद मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ, इसमें 2 उंगलियों से करें ना तो आगे एक नई विंडोज खुल जाएगी. वो किसी को भी नहीं पता, जो भी करेगा एक से करेगा, 2 से करने से उसमें आप अपने मैसेजेस ये वो सारा कुछ कर सकते हैं. बड़ा कारीगर आदमी है, राइट. तो सारी चीज़ों का पता ज़रूर है, लेकिन देखिए जो मज़ा शराफत की ज़िंदगी में है ना, वो करामत की ज़िंदगी में भी नहीं और लियाकत की ज़िंदगी में भी नहीं है, क्योंकि शराफत एक अच्छा इंसान है, इसीलिए. ऑलराइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट IELTS स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1. डू यू कलेक्ट थिंग्स like coins, stamps and all that?
Yes, of course. I collect things like I have. I like to collect a different.
Anything you can collect. Do you collect things?
Yes,
I collect things.
Yes,
yeah.
I like to collect different kind of watches. I have different brand. I have different kind of brands watches in my home. I usually wear different kind of watch in different occasions. So to answer your question, I like.
Yes, I love to collect wristwatches.
Yes.
Okay, let's go on. Is there anything you keep from your childhood, or is there anything that you have been keeping from your childhood or since your childhood?
No, I have nothing that I have that I have kept from my childhood.
Since my childhood.
Since my childhood, because I'm not so take anything so much care of that thing, so I have no thing to from my childhood.
Okay, would you like to keep old things for a long time?
No, I am not so much care. I am very careful person, so I do not keep the things so much carefully. So I have no older things in to me. So
Okay,
to answer
question is, would you keep old things for a long time? Old things like your old books when you were at school, your old school uniform, your old bag, or anything like that. So would you like to keep old things for a long time?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have my school books that I have kept in my home because I have recently completed my board exam. So I have not given to anyone. I have given to anyone. So I have my old books.
Okay, what would you like to collect in the future?
In my future, I would like to collect different currencies, different currencies of all countries. So to answer answer the question, I would like to collect different currencies.
All right, this could just try to say I would like to collect different currencies as I'm planning to go to Canada. There I will collect Canadian dollars,
Inshallah.
and from there I will go to America and I will collect American dollars as well. So to answer your question, in future I would love to collect a lot of currency notes. Something like that. Expand your answer, okay? That will be better. Okay, let's move on. What kinds of things are boring for you?
Sir, the mainly things which are boring me,
Mic थोड़ा आगे कर दें.
which I bored me. Sir, can you change this topic?
Sure, why not? Tell me small ABC,
ABCD.
big ABC, big A, big B, big C, big D. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Sir, especially whenever
In actual exam, don't ask the examiner to change the topic. They will not change the topic. They will change you.
okay.
They will say agla paru.
Okay.
So don't ask the examiner to change the topic. Whatever the topic is, answer the question.
Okay, sir.
What kinds of things are boring to you?
Okay, sir. Discussion on politics issues are boring me, and slow moving is also moving.
Okay,
boring
now
me.
try to answer properly
Okay.
in 4-5 sentences. First of all, political discussion is boring for me
Okay.
because I don't take interest in politics. That is why whenever anyone talks about politics, I don't like it.
Okay.
Secondly, the movies which are slow, especially art movies or sometimes such type of movies, so such type of things make me feel bored and they are boring for me. That's it, 4-5 sentences. Okay, let's go on. What do you do when you feel bored?
Sir, I usually listen songs,
Good.
and moreover, I want to watch movies in the evening time, especially because in the evening time I have free times. That's why I love to watch movies.
All right. What was the most boring thing you did when you were a child?
Uh,
Going to school, school homework,
Yes,
or
sir.
anything like that. You can
Yes,
say
sir.
anything.
When I was in childhood, then the main thing which boring me, I go to schools and also some lessons which teachers gave me assignment,
Teachers gave me.
gave me assignments that's are very boring for me.
Those tasks were very boring for me. Focus your grammar,
Okay, sir.
focus your sentence structure, and try to speak properly.
Okay.
And you have to be willing to speak,
Okay.
to express yourself, and be familiar with these topics, because in actual exam there can be anything.
Okay, sir.
So you have to answer,
Okay.
right? Okay, thank you.